These are the best indoor plants for beginners because they're beautiful, low maintenance, and incredibly hard to kill. Welcome back to Garden Nest Living. I'm Jenny, and today I'm sharing the 10 plants that will actually thrive in your home. I've chosen these because they're forgiving, affordable, and perfect for creating your own indoor sanctuary. The snake plant is the low light king. It only needs water every few weeks and is perfect for a dark corner or a bedside table. Spider plants are so resilient. They love bright, indirect light and produce little plantlets that are so easy to share with friends. Pothos is the ultimate survivor. It literally wilts slightly when it's thirsty, making it the perfect first plant for anyone. If you really think you're bad with plants, get a ZZ. It can survive for months without water and still look this glossy. The peace lily is elegant and great for air purification. It's a drama queen that droops when thirsty, so you'll always know. Aloe vera loves a sunny windowsill. Its gel is a lifesaver for burns, but remember, it's a succulent, so don't overwater it. For a bold statement, you can't beat the rubber plant. It handles various light levels and brings a touch of the tropics indoors. The heartleaf philodendron is incredibly low maintenance. It's surprisingly fast growing and looks stunning trailing off a shelf. Chinese evergreens come in beautiful patterns and are tough as nails. They're my go-to for adding colour to low light areas. Living up to its name, the cast iron plant is nearly indestructible. It handles low light and temperature swings with total ease. What surprised me most is how much a little greenery can calm a space. Don't be afraid to experiment with placement. I've added the full care guide and watering tips in the blog post linked below. Visit gardennestliving.com for more.